Amid the economic crisis spurred by coronavirus, Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das listed out measures taken by the central bank to maintain adequate liquidity in the system, facilitate and incentivize bank credit flows, ease financial stress and enable formal functioning of markets. RBI also reduced the reverse repo rate by 25 basis points from 4% to 3.75% to encourage banks to invest. Ahead of the conditional easing of the lockdown, India is ramping up testing. The number of samples tested in the last 24 hours crossed 30,000 for the first time on Thursday. At least 5 lakh rapid test kits have arrived from China and another 6 lakh kits, including rapid antibody tests and RNA extraction kits, have been dispatched from China to India. All India Institute of Medical Sciences Resident Doctors Association has written to the Union Home Ministry appealing for the implementation of the Health Services Personnel and Clinical Establishments Prohibition of Violence and Damage to Property Bill. The association has highlighted the 7 instances where doctors were assaulted while on duty for COVID-19. The daily growth in positive COVID-19 cases has shown a declining trend in India over the last few days, possibly as a result of the nationwide lockdown. The 21-day lockdown, which has now been extended, was enforced from March 24th midnight and was intended to bring precisely this kind of slowdown in the spread of the disease. Scientists have said that if the trend continues, the total number of infections could be well within 20,000 by April 20th. Calling it a ray of hope, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that plasma therapy would start on a trial basis in the state's hospitals. Plasma therapy is a treatment by which the plasma of a COVID-19 recovered person is infused into an infected patient, thereby carrying with it the antibodies that were present in the recovered patient's body. This gives a boost to the infected patient's immunity and offers a better chance at survival. The Uttar Pradesh government has started pool testing COVID-19 samples in the state. After experimenting with pool testing, which allows testing several samples together in Agra, the state would now expand it to other districts. Agra was declared a hotspot and the pool testing was carried out in buffer zones surrounding the city. In pool testing, 5 samples are tested together and if the result is positive, then individual testing is carried out. This saves on testing kits that are an essential but limited resource. The hashtag #SuspendBabita is trending on Twitter after the Commonwealth medalist wrestler came under fire for sharing tweets perceived to be anti-Muslim. She wrote that the Jamatis were India's #1 problem even before the coronavirus. This after a number of India's positive cases were traced to a group of Islamic preachers and scholars. This had given rise to rampant Islamophobia in India, and celebrities like Fogart and earlier actress Kangana Ranaut's sister Rangoli were shunned by social media for branding all Muslims as a problem. Britain too has now extended its lockdown for at least 3 more weeks to contain the spread of COVID-19. Dominic Raab, the stand-in Prime Minister, said relaxing any measures now would risk damage to both public health and the economy. Britain's Prime Minister Boris Johnson, meanwhile, is recovering from the disease.